Hi, everyone, and welcome to Module 6. This week we'll be learning about developing or creating a development environment using Vagrant. Vagrant is a great open source tool. Vagrant, in combination with the other free software called VirtualBox, allows you to set up a virtual machine on your computer in relatively short order. And so, whereas a normal operating system might be anywhere from 500 to 40 gigs, if it's like something like Windows, the Vagrant virtual machines are typically like 100 to 300 megabytes in size. And so you run them through the terminal and say that I'm developing a web application and I've added some new navigation functionalities and some JavaScript and like a calculator to calculate some type of, metabolic risk score. And I need to test this. I need to test this on multiple browsers and in different settings. So what I can do is create myself a sandbox where it's safe. It's not going to affect my computer, but it cordons off a section of my computer to run the software, and I'm testing these things before it goes to the client, to the customer. So Vagrants start with what's called a Vagrant file, and you kind of specify how much CPU does the Vagrant need, how much RAM the virtual machine needs. It's all cordoning off sections of your hardware on your computer to kind of support this machine, and it's very small. So 1 gig of RAM and one CPU and a 20 meg hard drive, and then install Apache, install a SQL database and stuff like that, and it spins it up and gives you this testing environment, and it gives you a way to send files and updates to it and on the fly kind of thing. So Vagrant's a great tool, again, all free, works very well, and it's just a great space that's safe for you to play in. So this week you'll be learning about it, how to set up a Vagrant file, and making certain edits with that, and then submitting a Docker file, which I'll in turn run and see what you created. So as you're building it, I hope that you just try new things. If you want to install Apache and some other various web services or other database services, feel free to do that. And let's see how it goes. If you have any questions, just reach out to me.